Hey guys, my beauty room is in absolute chaos at the moment. So today I thought that we would do like a little cleaning video together. So yeah, I'll set up my camera and we'll get into it. Okay, so this stuff here is like all declutter or like empty stuff, so I need to sort that out in a minute. I need to go and get the rest of my empties and bring them in here and find a box to keep them in until I do my empties. I've just got some makeup here that I need to put away, as well as these lashes, so I'll do that. And then I've got a few things on here that need to find a home. These are all from my haul from when I bought stuff in the Gold Coast, so yeah, I need to do that. I need to put these candles away. And yeah, so I'm gonna go take some rubbish and stuff out first so that I have a little bit more room to work with. And then yeah, I'm gonna start trying to find homes for everything. Okay, so I just took some rubbish out, but I cannot move in here. As you can see, all this stuff is here. So I'm in the middle of making up my Patreon goodie boxes for this month. So everyone who's a Patreon or becomes a Patreon in May, and any of my existing Patreons, the first 100 of them are going to get a goodie box. So I think I'm going to quickly make up the rest of these goodie boxes so that I can move this stuff out of the way, and then I can have a bit more of a pathway, and then yeah, we'll continue on with the desk and putting everything else away. So I'm going to make those up now. I'm going to make these up off camera because it will take a little while, but if you want to see a sneak peek of what is in them, check out my TikTok or my Instagram. So yeah, we're going to do that now, and then I'll be back and we can finish cleaning the room. Okay, so I've packed all the Patreon gift boxes now. So what I'm going to try and do next is tackle under here, because this is where I keep like all of my like paper, packing peanuts and bubble wrap and stuff, and I just use those when I send out giveaways and things like that. So I'm going to try and see if I can condense it all into like a smaller box so that I can move some other things under here. So that's what we're going to do now. Hopefully you can see okay. Okay, so I've got this box here. This also had packing peanuts in it, but I've just used a lot of them up by packing those goodie boxes. So I'm going to start putting some of the eyeshadow palettes in here. Right. Then I've still got a little bit of room under here. Obviously this isn't how it's going to stay forever. This is just while I'm working my way through my makeup collection. It really annoys me, all like the makeup through the floor and everything like that, but this, if everything goes well, I'll probably only be in this studio for like another year or so. So yeah, I'm hoping that when I get my own place I can make this studio really how I envision it. But anyway, okay. Sit. Highlighters there. And then I can sit blush and bronzer there for now. Okay, I'm making a little bit more progress. I can finally walk a little bit through here. So next we're going to tackle the table over here. So I'll just show you that. So yeah, next I'm just going to do this table here. I'm going to sit all the goodie boxes for Patreon up there so that they're out of the walkway, obviously. And then I need to find somewhere to sit all these toys, which is going to be so hard. I really need a bigger studio. Like I said, that's not happening for a little while, so I'm just going to try and do my best and see what we can do. Okay, I've got a bit of rubbish on the floor and a few things that I need to take out, so I'll take that rubbish out now, and then I'll be back. Hey guys, so it's been a couple of hours now. I just took a bit of a break, but anyway, we're back now, and what I'm just going to quickly do is make a little room under my desk, like down under here. You probably won't be able to see very well, but just so I can put all of these boxes in there so I can finally like properly use my chair. Ugh. Okay, now that I can actually walk around my studio again, I'm going to finally tackle the desk situation. So I still have a little bit more rubbish up here, which I will throw out in a second. We've got some PR. I still need to put these away. I need to find a home for the empties. So, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna, I really need a box for these empties. But I think what I'll do first is I'll take the rubbish out, and then when I come back we can put the makeup away that needs to go away. So yeah, I'll do that now. Okay, it's not perfect by any means, and it's not going to be for a while because I just have so much going on in here. But yeah, I'm going to end this video here now because I'm happy with where it's at. I can at least move around my studio now. Because yeah, I need to go and actually film a makeup look for today. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next video.